Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how I make my puff puff. So I use a self-raising flour. I'm going to use a bit of sugar and lukewarm water. And then I'm going to add just a pinch of salt later. So as of April last year, oh my God, I could not get any yeast from the shop because unfortunately some people went for it before I did. So since then I started using self-raising flour and it came out perfect actually. So let's start. Right, so this is my sugar. I put a little bit of sugar because of my kids. Okay, so I'll put a bit of salt, then mix it up. Okay, put a little water. Put a little bit of water and then you mix. And then if you need more water, you can just keep adding to it. Okay, I think I need a little bit of more water. Okay, so this is the end result. If your mixture feels like this. So this is the right mixture. Yeah. And now I'm gonna cover it for like 2 hours. Okay, so guys, I've wrapped it with transparent foil. So I'm gonna give it 2 hours and then right. Okay, hi everyone. So this is after 2 hours. There we go. After 2 hours, and it's, can you see the bubbles? There we go. Now I can start my frying. Look at now, it looks like rubber, like that. That's how it should be afterwards. So now I'm going to show you how I fry it. Okay. All right, this is the pot. So it's already heated. Okay, this is after leaving it for 2 hours. So let's start frying. That's how it should be. And then it's gonna come off itself. If it's sticking to the pot, that means you've not mixed it properly. So it should come up like this. so that's it. This is how it should be. Just have to fry 4 minutes, let's say. Hi everyone, so this is the result. This is my puff puff, and as you can see, it is soft. See? It is soft. Delicious. Nice, like Nigerian puff puff. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.